Good afternoon to all and welcome to our fifth session for Asia Water 2020 Technology Symposium. Before we start, there's a few rules that we have to adhere. All microphone and video of attendees have been muted. If you have any question, please wait for the Q&A session or do list them down at the Q&A box. If there's any internet disruption during the session, kindly be patient and try to sign in again. In this session, we will have Mr. Ludovic from Lacroix Sofrel to do the presentation. Ludovic is Senior Product Manager, Smart Water RTU, Remote Telemetry Units at Lacroix Sofrel. His role includes worldwide product management and RTU development activities for Lacroix Sofrel Remote Telemetry Units offering on water markets. Ludovic began working for Lacroix Sofrel in 2018 by managing domestic RTU product line. Prior working for Lacroix Sofrel, Ludovic holds several positions in high technologies companies, Harmonic, Thomson and Atom, where he develops strategic skills such as product management of cloud and SaaS platform, market analysis, global product management and strategy. Previously, Ludovic worked as codec engineer on embedded system in the field of digital compression and as worldwide product line manager on video algorithms. Ludovic holds an engineer degree in digital signal processing from ESMI Sudria, the French Engineering School of Electronics, Telecommunications and Computer Engineering. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Ludovic to do his presentation. Sir, the floor is yours.
Thanks a lot. Hello, everybody. Thanks for being with us today for our Lacroix Sofrel sessions related to the introduction of two different new products. First one is an RTU, and the second one will be a data logger. Just before diving into the session of the RTU, a little word about our company that is called Lacroix Sofrel. Lacroix Sofrel is part of the overall Lacroix group. And this group is roughly 4,000 of employees, and we have a footprint over 12 different countries. Our revenues are roughly 480 million euros. We are providing connected technologies for smarter industries, for smarter mobility, and also for a smart environment and smarter water and energy. Just a few words about Lacroix Sofrel. This is a French company that is based in west of France, and we have 8 representatives in Asia and roughly over 40 representatives worldwide. Our company is focusing on the water cycle, mainly by providing applications for the overall water cycle environment. We are roughly equipping nearly 500,000 water sites, and we are a European leader in telemetry. In terms of applications, our company is focusing on water cycle applications. I have just said in the previous slides. It means that we can work on rainwater application and also on wastewater applications. We have a huge range in order to cover the overall water cycle, such as data loggers, remote telemetry units, sensors. We can also provide centralizations and also cloud solutions. Now, let's jump into our new product. And this new product that we are just launching in Asia Water is called Sofrel YDRIX, and this is a smart RTU. So when we talk about this, it means that this RTU, of course, this is a remote telemetry unit, okay, in order to be able to manage alarms, communications, of course, and this is a product that is a connected product. As you will see in the following slides, our equipment is able to connect to 4G networks, 3G networks, but also 2G networks. And we have also equipped this equipment with different LAN capability and LAN connections. As mentioned, our company is focusing on water applications. So this Sofrel YDRIX is able to target water applications. And we have done on the hardware specific things in order to target the water applications. But as you will see, we can also provide different software libraries in order to target this kind of application. And of course, as today we are more and more in a connected world, we have also added cybersecurity capability into the product. So, as mentioned, we have a 4G connected product, and this product is able to connect to 4G networks. But as the 4G coverage is not always available, this product can also connect as a fallback into the 3G or the 2G networks if it's available. Of course, we can send alarms. It means that we can have the levels of different sensors, and we can detect if there is an issue and send an alarm to a SCADA systems, or we can also send SMS directly to a mobile phone. We have also added robustness into the product. It means that the product can go, for example, up to 70 degrees, okay, in terms of temperature. And of course, we have added telemetry and telecontrol units into the product. So simplicity is also one of the DNA of Lacroix Sofrel. It means that it's really an easy to use product and also an easy to diagnostic product. And of course, this product embeds an automation workbench in order to allow you to do all of the different process controls that you can need to do. So we are focusing on water applications, as I have mentioned. It means that, for example, we can target and we can provide our product in order to manage water tanks. Okay, so in this case, you will need to do water level management. We also can interface with our Sofrel data loggers product in order to know what is the level of the water tank, and after we can send an order to water pumps in order to fill the water tanks, for example. But we can also work on water pumping stations, of course, and also pumping well in order to do some pump management and also the intersite, also flow meters metering. We can also um, uh, be used in drinking water treatment plant, okay, in order to do the process management, data transmissions. And also we can do and we can work on wastewater applications, such as wastewater lifting stations, where we can provide libraries in order to manage an overall lifting stations. And we can also use our product in a wastewater treatment plant in order to do data transmissions, process management, and also manage the different alarms. So, of course, we have added cybersecurity into our product. We have protections using a firewall. We can also secure the access using users management. And also, we are securing the transmissions using a VPN, for example. And we can also use authentications using certificates. So in terms of technical features, this product, of course, embeds an integrated automation workbench where you can use the different languages for programming your own software, such as ST, LD, SFC, and also FBD. Of course, we can provide water libraries in order to manage pumps, also in order to do lifting stations, if you want. We have integrated input and output into the products, such as the digital input, digital output, analog input, but you can also add extension models, DI, DO, and also AI. And you can have up to 12 extension models into this new product. So we have, as I have mentioned, integrated modem. Okay, it means that you do not need to have an external modem. This is integrated. And as we have integrated the latest technology, the 4G technology, you do not need to have, let's say, the external model. And in case of an issue of the 4G networks, there is an automatic fallback on the 3G and or the 2G network. You can also use dual Ethernet if you want. Okay, so we have equipped the product with two different Ethernet interfaces. Of course, you can interface with the different sensors using serial interface, such as the 485 or the 232. And which is also a key point, this is our communications to our Sofrel data loggers. So we have also equipped the product with the standard protocol, IEC 104, DNP3, Modbus RTU, or Modbus TCP. As a nutshell, in the product, we have integrated communications with a 4G modem, end-to-end communications to our software data loggers. You can use the automation workbench, and you can use the water libraries that are provided into our product. So thanks a lot for your time. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. And now I let the floor to Christophe Magnier, who is the product manager for our Sofrel Data Loggers product.
Thank you, Mr. Ludovic. In this next presentation, we have Mr. Christophe from Lacroix Sofrel to do the presentation. Mr. Christophe's professional expertise has grown through the years in the energy, industrial and construction markets. He graduated from high school diploma in electricity, electronics and mechanics. He graduated from high school diploma in electricity, electronics and mechanics. Other than that, he received associate degree in automated system. Moreover, he took master's degree in engineering with a specialty in manufacturing. For 16 years, he kept improving and applying high organizational and communication skills which are crucial for both team and project management. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Christophe to do his presentation. Sir, the floor is yours.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Christophe Magnier, and I'm a product manager for Lacroix Sofrel. I would like to share with you the launch of a new product covering several use cases in monitoring of network water. This is our own new autonomous communicating data logger, Sofrel Neo. I would like at first to introduce some key features regarding cellular technologies and critical for an autonomous IoT like Sofrel Neo. As everyone knows, telecommunication offers evolve and new offers are emerging while others are disappearing. 2G, 3G, 4G, LoRaWAN, Sigfox, many technologies allowing connected objects to communicate and transmit data from water networks. The applications, installation, and use constraints of our products are decisive in choosing a network that is deployed, efficient, adapt, and sustainable. That's why this new product, Sofrel Neo, will be compatible with the 4G machine-to-machine network, that is to say, NB-IoT and LTE-M. Low-power area networks include LTE-M and NB-IoT, which are 3GPP standardized cellular solutions supported by an established ecosystem, ensuring interoperability across different network providers. Able to manage a large number of connected objects in the same time, called massive IoT, it benefits from quality of service specific to a network licensed and standardized by the 3GPP that offer also a worldwide coverage with a single modem. Focused on the requirement of the IoT objects for water, this 5G ready technologies that are LTE-M and NB-IoT allow optimal use of the Sofrel Neo features. And finally, the machine-to-machine SIM card secure the identity of machines communicating on cellular networks and provide secure authentication, critical point when monitoring water networks and infrastructure. Let me introduce now the Sofrel Neo, a new 4G NB-IoT data loggers for water monitoring. Built to last and communicate for a long time, Sofrel Neo benefits from Sofrel's R&D know-how and more than 15 years of experience in the management of water networks. Sofrel Neo will help contract operators to meet everyday challenges. Waterproof, IP68, and robust, this solution is designed for manholes subjected to emergent phenomena and aggressive environment. Processing embedded data loggers function, Sofrel Neo do pre-calculation of monitoring indicators like volume, overflows, record data by primary and secondary archiving of each analog input, and do the transmission with a great reliability. Transmission scheduled or on an event by comparing threshold in real-time network monitoring. The efficient communication through 2G and 4G machine-to-machine offer a transmission to 3 recipients, including 2 separate telecom access points. Locally or remotely, Sofrel Neo allow access to diagnostics information critical for data qualifications. An inter-site function between Sofrel Neo and Sofrel RTUs guarantee an efficient and straight way to manage a water network. Build on an optimized electronics and operating mode to save energy, Sofrel Neo benefits of the 4G machine-to-machine technologies for an improved autonomy to reduce battery replacement costs. Built to last components, hardware and software has been chosen for long reliability even in harsh conditions. Internal diag and alarm allow operators to monitor and anticipate maintenance. Minutes or hours, Sofrel Neo will monitor your network in real time by periodic or event and data archiving. With the graphic and assist configuration tools, Sofrel Neo is a plug-and-play solution, waterproof, energy autonomous devices specifically designed to make water networks intelligent and able to communicate even deep indoor. The range is divided into main applications, drinking water and wastewater. In these two applications, thanks to a dedicated software, Sofrel Neo will allow you to cover specific use cases. Large consumer remote metering with LC version, district metering area with a DMA version, pressure measurement and pollution detection with a CWT. For wastewater, sewage detection with the SWW version, permanent diagnosis with the CWW version, and water quality monitoring with the WWQ version. Thank you for your time and your attention, and for further information, do not hesitate to contact us or your local representative.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the Q&A session. If you have any question, please click on hand raise function and the organizer will unmute you, or you can list your question down on our Q&A chat box. Please make sure to introduce yourself and which company are you from, followed with your question. If there's no question, we have come to the end of our fifth session today. If you have any other inquiry, please visit Lacroix Sofrel virtual booth in our virtual exhibition hall. That's all from us. Once again, thank you and please stay safe all the time.